kabutihan.
Grant us the wisdom that we need in order to bring out the best in us. That in whatever you do, we give back and make our parents proud.
Malusog na katawan, kaligtasan sa mga kapahamakan, sa lahat ng problema kanyang pinagdadaanan, ito na po ang mamagitan.
The bounty of your love is more than enough. Help us fight the struggle and hardship to break the personal indifference. So our family prospers according to your will.
Lagi pa rin pinapangarap na kami ay magsama-sama. Ngunit pinagpapasalamat ng wagas ang kanilang